Cooper is against it, pointing out they may react violently and that explaining things so many times will get tiring. Suddenly a man called Hugo grabs Sarah by the neck and Cooper tries to come to her defense, only to get punched in the process. Then another huge bug appears and attacks Cooper, so Hugo lets go of Sarah and immediately kills the creature. While the guys are distracted, Sarah uses the chance to free 6 people from the cocoons, including a police officer. The group agrees to work together and discusses how to proceed. Roger says they should leave on his truck, but Sarah points out the noise would attract the bugs. Refusing to listen to her, Roger and PJ leave the group behind and get in the truck anyway. Just like Sarah predicted, the engine noise attracts giant beetles that immediately smash the truck. PJ jumps out, but as he tries to escape he breaks his leg, and another truck that lost control ends up running over him. Roger stays behind the wheel so the beetles reach through the window to capture him and carry him away. Meanwhile the rest of the group are fighting the insects too. In the struggle, the police officer is killed and Hugo's father Albert gets stung in the back, which leaves a strange mark on his skin. The remaining survivors hide in the nearest building and decide to go to the roof to assess the situation. They see a mysterious red smoke in the distance and a huge horde of wasps flying away from it. The group discusses what to do, so Cooper suggests going to his dad's house because he's a former soldier who has a bunker with supplies. However, it would be a long trip and they aren't sure how to reach the house safely. At that moment a bunch of bugs fly by so Lychee waves her arms, however the bugs don't react and fly away. This confirms they're blind and use sound to locate their victims. The group agrees they need to learn more about their enemy before making a decision, so they put a radio inside a closet to lure a beetle into it, quickly trapping it inside. Lychee is a scientist and wants to milk the beetle like a snake to study its venom, which disgusts the others but they agree to help anyway. They open the closet and team up to hold the beetle down, fortunately managing to get a sample of the venom without anyone getting hurt. While Lychee studies the liquid, the others share their experiences. They all have the same story: they heard the noise, passed out, and later woke up to find the cocoons. Eventually Lychee concludes that the bug's poison acts as sedative. She also discovers a